Okay, I've had to replace some tiles here. The problem was there was one tile here in the corner that was broken. So I took that tile up and there was a couple of tiles here that sounded a bit hollow. After taking the tiles off, there's this gap, and also there was a bit of a hump. So that was causing the tiles to be hollow. So what I'm going to do now is fill this in with concrete leveler, and once that's done, it takes about 4 hours to dry. Then the tiles can go on top. Here's a floor leveler, 5 kilo bag, so application 1 to 25 millimeters. Takes 4 hours before you can actually put tiles on it, and this 5 kilo bag covers 3 meters square. Let's mix this up. We're going to mix up a little batch at a time, so we'll use 2.5 kilos, which is about half a bag. So we must use a drill, we cannot mix it by hand. We pour some water in. That's it.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Alright, so put it in there. So what do you reckon? Just pour it in now?
Over to the job.
So you just carefully pour it in. Beautiful. Self-leveling already. Just help it along a bit. Oh, look at that.
As long as it feels that crack up.
Yeah.
Keep some. Yeah. Bring it on over here. We'll mix your second batch for the top.
Probably.
Got to get that hole filled.
Fill in that crack there, so we'll make up the second batch, it will level out the overall job. What do you think?
Yeah.
Might stick something, a bit of cardboard in there. Okay, here's the finished job, just leveled it out. So that's all ready for tiling now, just wait for it to dry, approximately 4 hours to harden up.